Here is how you can change the language and currency setting on 1688. Hi, if you are seeing me for the first time, I'm Oluwatoyin, and on this channel I teach on how you can import without making any mistake from China. Now this video is basically teaching you how to change your currency and the language setting on 1688. First things first is to click on 1688, is to go to your 1688 app. Yes, of course, if you do not have 1688, please go and sign in or go and register 1688. I have a video, I'll be linking it down. This video is on how you can open a 1688 account with your email. Now if you check down, you will see me. You tap on me. Now you tap on settings, the settings up here, you tap on settings. Now when you tap on settings, you are going to see a lot of things. Now we want to change the language, we want to change the currency, and we want to change our country. Now first of all, go to your country, you tap on the country side and you choose your right country. I'm from Nigeria, so I'll be picking Nigeria. That's it. Now your language, when you tap on language, you will see a lot of languages. These are the languages available. You can change the language to any language of your choice, but my language is English, so I'm going to be tapping on English. Yeah, English, and that's it. Now for our currency, you can see it says select display currency. Any currency you choose, it will display on your feed, like to display on the home page. I look for my country. My country is Nigeria. This is it here. So I'll tap on it, and just like that, it will change.